In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Patreon display name and profile picture. First, open a new browser window and search for Patreon. When the results load, click the official Patreon link. If you're ever unsure, look for the correct domain and familiar branding to make sure you're on the real site. Once you're there, log in with your usual credentials. Let's start with your creator page. Head to your creator dashboard. This is where you manage the public-facing page your supporters see. On that dashboard, look for the Edit Page area. Next to it, you'll find a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to reveal more options and navigate to the section where you can update your name. Under the Basics section, locate the field labeled Page Name. This is the name that appears at the top of your creator page and in many places across Patreon, so choose something clear and memorable. Type in your preferred name, double-check the spelling, and then click Save Changes. It may take a moment for the update to appear everywhere, so don't worry if it doesn't refresh instantly. Now let's switch to your member profile, which is what other creators and communities may see when you interact on Patreon. Hover over your profile image and name at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click your name to open a drop-down that shows both your creator and member profiles, and select Member Profile. From there, click Settings. In the Basics section, find the Display Name field. Enter the display name you want associated with your member identity. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes or Publish if that button appears for your account. Save will store your edits, while Publish makes them live right away. For both your creator page and member profile, you can update the profile photo the same way. Next to your current image, click the camera icon. Choose a new photo from your computer and click Open to upload it. A clear, well-lit square image usually looks best. Common formats like JPG or PNG work well, and medium file sizes help the upload go smoothly. If you're prompted to adjust or crop, center your face or logo so it's easy to recognize at smaller sizes. After the upload finishes, make sure to save or publish to confirm the change. If you don't see it update immediately, give it a few moments or refresh the page. That's it. You've updated your creator page name, your member display name, and your profile picture, all in a few quick steps.